How to use a formula on Monday.com for a due date. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open your board with task deadlines. Navigate to the board where you manage projects and ensure you have a due date column. 2. Add a formula column. Click on Add column and choose Formula. This column will automatically calculate dates based on conditions. Enter the due date formula. Use the formula, add a days, start date 30. This will automatically set the due date 30 days after the start date. 4. Adjust the formula. If needed, modify the formula to fit your workflow, such as adding 15 days instead of 30. 5. Apply the formula to multiple tasks. Ensure all tasks automatically update their due dates when a start date is entered. 6th test, the automation. Change the start date of a task and check if the due date updates accordingly. 7. Save the configuration for future use. If you plan to use this across multiple projects, save the board structure for efficiency.